Good morning, Butters. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Are you okay? You good? Damn. Hello there. In today's video, it's more of a vlog style video. I'm gonna be doing a really kind of crazy, risky buyout today. So I figured, you know what? Let's go ahead and bring you guys along, since I think this is the type of content that you guys enjoy, or at least I enjoy making this kind of content. So if you guys enjoy it, let me know in the comment section down below. I have a couple packages I gotta pack up before we hit UPS. I'll drop those off and then we're gonna go ahead and do this deal. But first of all, can we get a quick like for the fresh haircut? Come on, son. And quick side note, I did a couple markdowns on my website, so if you guys would like to purchase any of the shoes that you might have seen before, double check, because I might have marked those down. If you follow me on Instagram, we were going crazy yesterday. I had a pair of Shadow ones I was originally selling for $475, and I think I ended up marking it to like $325. So steals and deals. Let's go ahead and pack some packages up real quick, and then we could get our day started. I got the washer popping off in the back, so hopefully y'all can hear me, but yesterday y'all went off on the website, so I went ahead, packaged everything up to make sure that these go out today, which is Saturday. So you guys are probably gonna see this later in the week, but this is just a little insight of what I'm doing whenever I'm not making YouTube videos. All right, I'm not always filming, I'm not always recording new stuff. I do a lot of my online shop work right here inside the crib, so we got to go ahead and drop these off right now. And then the shoes right next to it, we're taking that to LA to see if we can cash out on those. All right, everybody, we have everything loaded up right here. I'm gonna go over to UPS and make sure everything gets dropped off. It's super cool because I'm cool with those people, so just go right to the front, drop my packages, and dip out. Shout out to the UPS workers for making my life easier. I appreciate you. Look at that dog in the back. Straight up wolf. My guy is big chillin'. I got nobody to hold the camera or film me, no tripod or anything, so no cool time lapse, but I'm gonna run these in real quick and we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, and we're off just like that. I noticed that one of my pet peeves is like when I'm doing something and you're in my way. Ooh, that gets to me, man. That really gets to me. I'm super patient, but like I said, man, when I'm doing something and you're just like in my way, bro, that really gets to me. I have a full stack of shoes on my dolly, and people see me loading this at the front, and when they get in, I'm pulling in, I'm like, excuse me, I'm coming through. Literally, just like they stand there and look at me like I'm crazy, and they take forever to move. It's like, bro, just move to the side real quick, bro. Other than snaking through a few individuals that didn't want to move for whatever reason, we'll call them statues. Other than that, we're all good. Like I said, this is one of the more risky meetups that I'm doing because it's a lot of pairs. I don't really know how well these sell, but I figured, you know what, let's just go ahead and try it and show you guys how this whole thing goes down. So I'm not gonna record the deal, I'm just gonna show you guys what I picked up, and then from there we're gonna bring it back home. I'll break it out, show you every single pair that I got today, and if you guys like anything you see, you can shop on my website at shopsotopia.com. Y'all ready to see a magic trick? 3, 2, bam. And just like that, we got some new inventory. We got a bunch of different sizes here, size 8, size 9, some 10s, only a little bit of the 12s and 13s. And then all of these right here, smaller sizes, size 6, size 5. And I think maybe we have a couple 4s behind this, but I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the crib, unload this, and I'll show you guys what they all look like. Okay, so some of you may be wondering what we picked up, so let's take a look at the brand new inventory. Here's what we're working with. We got a bunch of Revenge Storms. As you guys probably know, these things were super popular a few years back. They used to be going for a lot of money. I think some of them even high 300s depending on what colorway it was. But I got all these for a really good deal. So if you're wondering how much we're selling these for, they're $145 a pop. So far, the biggest size in men's that I have for the black pair is a size 8. And then everything else is either a 4, 5, 6, and I think I do have a couple 7s. These are the 3M reflective ones. So these are pretty cool. Says Revenge on the tongue. I had a couple pairs of these when they were stupid expensive. I think I got them at Complex Con for maybe like $220 cash each. But yeah, I'm letting these go for $145 if you guys are interested. There's a few neon pairs in here. These ones range in size, mainly men's size in these. No base sizes, but all the base sizes are the blacks. And then we also have the kind of pine green with the strap. These ones have the leather on the Thunder right there. It says Revenge Storm at the bottom. Got a few of those. These are super bright. Right now, I'm just kind of laying everything out. I have so many pairs, so I don't think I want to lay it out just because I don't want it to take up my whole space, but you guys get the idea. These are the 3 colorways that we're selling: the 3M Reflective, Neon Green, and the Pine Green with the straps. Whenever I resell shoes, I'm usually used to selling Jordans or Yeezys, but this right here, Revenge Storms, it was out of my comfort zone just because I remember these things used to have a bunch of hype to it, and I feel like they don't have the same hype that they used to have. But I posted a few, a lot of people sounded like they're interested, so maybe this is a good buy for me. We'll see how it flips on the site. I'm not in it for too much, so hey, sometimes you gotta take a couple risks in life, and maybe they'll pay off, but who knows. Let y'all know how this goes. If you would like to shop, shopsoultopia.com. That's where you'll find every single pair that's on my website. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched till the end, comment Nutella down below to go ahead and confuse a couple people. And don't make me look stupid. I hope y'all didn't skip this video, but I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Deuces.